Hi folks, Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager from Worldwide RV here. You know, we can't control some of the things going on with the economy. We can't control gas prices. Unfortunately, you got to drive. We can't even control interest rates. But here at Worldwide RV, we are in control of pricing. And in recognition of the fact that, yeah, we're having to pay a little more at the pump, well, a lot more at the pump, and maybe rates are a little bit higher, we're offsetting that by doing our absolute rock bottom pricing now through the end of June. It's hot outside. It's about 114 right now, and now's the perfect time to get out of town, go up north, go to parts unknown, parts unseen where it's cooler. Worldwide RV wants to get you going. We want to help you. We want to help you by offsetting the other things that you have to deal with by giving you the absolute lowest price you're going to see of the year through the month of June. Come on down. Let's get you out of the heat. Okay, you're going to get your lowest pricing on everything we've got here. We have a big selection of bunkhouse travel trailers, non-bunkhouse travel trailers. I have a huge selection of Class Cs. Come on down. I think you're going to like what you see. We're located between Higley and Greenfield on Main Street in East Mesa, and I'm Brian Dacey, General Sales Manager for Worldwide RV. Thanks for watching.